Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to make metallic letters in Canva. So let's get started. First, you want to create a new design on Canva, and you can use any format that you like. And once you've created your design, you're going to click on Apps in the bottom left corner. Then you're going to search up Text Maker. Click on the first option. Now scroll down until you see Effects, then click on See All. From here, you're going to scroll down all the way to the bottom until you see Tattoo, then you're going to click See All. And from these three options, you're going to select Austin. Once you're here, you're going to type in your text here in the text box. Then you can go ahead and change the font if you want. After that, you can mess around with these three options down here as well if you want. And once you're done, just hit Add to Design. That's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please consider dropping a like and subscribing to the channel.